everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1972 Chevrolet. This is a true Super Sport. It's a 72, so you can break this car down through the VIN. It has a W code, which is a factory LS5 454 car. North Carolina car. It has spent its entire life in North Carolina. Good, solid, straight body. This is the factory color combination. This is code 63, Mohave gold metallic, which is just slick as can be. I love this color. We got a little break in the weather here, and we're going to get a little sunshine, so we're going to try to rush through this and get this thing shot, because unfortunately we got about 3 days of horrible weather coming starting this afternoon. But great looking car. Again, factory LS5 454 car. It's got the functional cowl hood. You can see it's got a set of 18 and 20 inch torque thrust 2s all the way around it. Good looking car. Factory air, factory tach and gauges, so lots of options. And then we also have some documentation with the car. We have a lot of the inspection sheets out of North Carolina. We have the original owner's manual. We also have the original Protecto plate and window sticker for this car. A couple of things I've ordered. You can see it's got a little break in the grill, new grill on the way. It also has, I think it's all the original interior in it, but the door pads are a little rough, so I've ordered new door pads for both sides, so those are on the way. It's had one repaint, but again, this is your original color combination. Like I said, I do believe it has all the original interior still in it. Front windshield's been replaced. The rest is a factory GM soft ray glass. Paint is slick on the car. Whoever painted it did a nice job. It's been raining actually all morning, and we literally just got a break in the rain, and with more weather coming behind it, so we'll try to get this thing shot. It's really nice. You can see there's some real depth to that paint in the metallic. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Again, 18 and 20 inch American Racing torque thrust wheels, new rubber. You can see it's got the chrome tips on it. It's got a Flowmaster dual exhaust, which really sounds good. Love the color. Front disc brakes. Again, it is a factory 454 car. It actually does not have the matching numbers engine in it. It's got a 70 date coated 454 engine in it with a mild cam, and it's probably got more horsepower actually than 365 horse. 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes, got factory air which blows ice cold. Matter of fact, we just had a line replaced and had the air recharged. Again, it's got the functional cowl hood, 400 turbohdyramatic transmission, detailed up nice underneath the hood here, stock air cleaner and valve covers. Good looking car, and a real car, not a clone. Man, I'm glad we got some brightness here so you can see that paint, because it is pretty. Factory dual sport mirrors on it. I think it's got the original door handle still on it. All your original door stickers are still in here. I believe the jams are actually the original paint. Again, these are original, but I've got brand new door pads on the way. Again, I think this is your original paint in here. Factory bench seat, looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Couple little holes up there in your headliner. Original SS steering wheel, it's got the factory dash and gauges. It's showing 6,045 miles. I'm assuming that is what is on the car since they've redone the engine. AM radio, it didn't work. The blower motor and AC, like I say, it blows cold. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got a 12-bolt 331 limited slip rear axle in it with the factory F41 rear suspension with a sway bar and the box control arms. Neat car. It's got the old wide oval Firestone spare with the original wheel. Again, Protecto plate, owner's manual, window sticker. These go back. I can't remember how long these go back, but we've got a bunch of the state certifications for the car. That all goes with the car. And again, new door pads and a new front grille we will have for this car. Clean underneath. Floors are solid. Door seams are clean. Nathan, if you get in that second lane, I'd go ahead and run it down the road. Just stay away from the big water. Try to stay out of it because it's drying out there. We weren't going to run it down the road, but I think we'll take a stab at it. Yeah, just stay in that center lane. Glass looks good. Couple of little scratches. Yeah, it runs and drives excellent, man. Blows ice cold. You see he's got the air on. Air blows cold. It's a good car. Nice little cam to it. Like I say, it's probably got more horsepower than from the factory. That's a good looking car. Don't think the tach was working. We'll have to take a peek at that. All your other gauges are functional. Oil pressure is underneath. Everything opens and closes real nice. Backup lights work. It's got great sound. I couldn't get the radio to work. Blower motor works. Again, holding good oil pressure. Oh, and the functional cowl works too. Just notice that closed up when we started it up. Just a good car, man. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our updated inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us.